Alright, baby girl. You love them apples, don't you? With that lip just coming out there. Oh, your lip. Oh, and you're doing a sit down for me? Good girl. Very good girl. That big girl can sit. Alright. You got it? Can you get it? There you go. Good girl. That girl makes a sip. Uh-oh. Sorry. A little bit back. You got it? That's kind of hard to get. Here, let me help you. There it is. That's a girl. Alright. There's that lip. There we go. Oh, you're a big girl. Oh my goodness, smacky, smacky. Hang on. Alright, hang on. Back up. Here we go. Back up. Let's back up here a little bit. There we go. That's a big girl. Here we go. Over this way. Oh, she's so good. Yummy, yeah. There's that lip again. She's sliding all over the place. She's just trying to hang on to that tile. Look at you. Here we go. Good apples, huh? Uh-oh. Good job. Whoop. Good. Whoop. Did we miss some? Good job.